We are super excited about our latest customer review. We work very hard to meet our clients' every need, so we love hearing 5-star reviews from our valued clients. What a great review! We're always thrilled to hear about a happy customer's experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf services to each and every client. It's great to receive positive feedback, since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. So, if you're looking for the best customer service backed by years of experience, then we're the right fit for you. Feel free to call us at the number on your screen. We're glad you had a chance to check us out today, and we're looking forward to chatting with you soon.